Good afternoon, Colin here with TechOut, and yesterday I made a video after the iPhone 15 event where I showed you some of the ways you can get ready for a pre-order, and this year Apple actually has something new you can do to prepare for pre-order, and that's going to be whether you're buying it unlocked, paying outright, or whether you're going to be doing carrier financing, the iPhone upgrade program, iPhone loan payments, whatever you may be doing, you can do this to prepare for Friday's pre-order. So you're going to want to choose the phone you want, so whatever phone you're getting, 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, whatever it may be. Just choose all your options, whether or not you have a trade-in, and then you're going to choose the payment option you want to use. So if you're going to be buying it outright and connecting to a carrier later, do that, and then you're going to click Get Ready for Pre-Order. I'm not going to click this button here because it's actually going to show my address and my card details and stuff like that, but you can click Get Ready for Pre-Order, and that's basically going to have it so you fill out all your checkout information right now before the pre-order starts, and then Friday morning on pre-order day, you're going to come back and complete your order. If you're doing something like the financing, whether it's the iPhone upgrade program or the iPhone payment, you do have to choose a carrier, and then you can get ready for pre-order here, and that will also allow you to do your pre-approval. So in yesterday's video, I said that you had to come in and do save for later, which if you do that, will save it to your list up here. If you go to your bag, it'll save it to your saves right here. So that's usually what we've done in the past to speed things up on Friday morning. That way everything's already selected. You don't accidentally choose the wrong option, the wrong color, something like that. If the website's kind of going up and down, everything's already saved and set up. You just have to click. You would basically just click this. Obviously, it's not here now because pre-order hasn't started, but when you save it, you would click buy. It would put it in your cart and you would check out. So that's what we've done in the past. But now you can see I'm going to remove that item from the save. And if I go up here to my cart, or not my cart, if I go up to here to the bag, you can see here save for pre-order. Looking for the iPhone, you save for pre-order. Click view right here. And we're going to sign back in. For some reason, the Remember Me thing is not working very well because I've had to sign in about 3 times now. But anyway, you can see here, it'll show your devices on the Apple ID as always, but then right here you can see the iPhone that you saved for pre-order. So really cool feature. Everything's already saved here. You can see we have the storage size, the color, and the fact that we're using the Apple iPhone payments. So you click view right here, and then if today was Friday, you could come back to this page and do your pre-order. If you add it to the calendar, it'll actually add this page's link to your calendar as well. So you can go straight from there to this website. They also send you an email once your pre-approval is done, so you can use that to do this as well. And that's of course if you're using the iPhone loan, the iPhone payments, or the iPhone upgrade program. You can do the pre-approval doing this and then add it right here. Everything's already set up, ready to go, and then Friday morning you come back and complete your checkout. So that is the new way of getting ready for pre-order. So just a little update to yesterday's video. I'm Colin with TechOut. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.